Here we have a stall, model VFZ52 knife holder. This unit is capable of running in standalone or in line with the stall folder or any other item you might use for folding. All the details and specifications can be found on our website at boggsequipment.com. For any questions or inquiries, you can contact the sales department. Turn the motor run on. This unit's powered off of 230 volts. As you can see, the sheath being hand fed in, knife automatically functioning. Again, here we have the stall VFZ knife folder available on boggsequipment.com.